to Truly Fun. This is Luna and we're going to learn about chickens today. Oh. You're wondering why her feathers look different because she's a Silkie. Is she a rooster or a hen? Yeah, you're right. She's a hen. And at night they go in their coop. And sometimes they lay eggs. Another cool fact about Silkies, they have 5 toes instead of 4 toes. What color is she? Yes, you're right. She's black and brown. And she also has blue earlobes. And her earlobes are right here. This is Peaches. Do you think she's a hen or a rooster? You're right, she's a hen. You're wondering why Peaches has a floop on her head. Because she's part Silkie. And she also has feathery toes. Peaches has gold, and it's right here. And she also has black tail feathers, and they're right here. It's okay. I'll calm you down.